Hi everybody. The weather changed, so it's kind of gloomy right now, but we are going to the lighthouse in the Palm Beach. I'll see you there. Alright, so we are going downhill. And look at that, Mangus Beach in the next stop. And hello everyone. We are at Heathrow Road, to be exact. We already passed Nervik, so we are nearly there, guys.
Oh yes.
We downhill, know where we are, guys. Such a beautiful view, especially in the mountain. Guess what? Where we are? We are now in Palm Beach area, I would say. So look at these palms, palms. So there's a Palm Beach around that area, and I think there's still other way around, and there's the local calls. So we're nearly there, guys. Things that I love coming to the Palm Beach because there's a lot of bushes and there's a lot of trees, and I think where we're going is such a narrow road. So we're get there. Love it now. Call it Palm Beach because look, there's a lot of trees. Isn't it love? This place looks familiar. Guys, so dito na kami sa rich area. Punta muna kami para yayaman. So, it's such a really beach area where a lot of people, maybe celebrities or whatever, actually here and enjoy. So, andito na kami guys sa actually this is a golf club, and then we're just parking our bike there and with my husband. Rumpugi na ano, like nag-play ng golf. Lalo na to! We are now walking to the lighthouse. And good day. So how do you feel today?
I feel good.
Are you excited to get there? We've never been here.
Though, I think.
Yeah, we'll be fine. Alright, everybody. We have we had a restaurant here, and look at that beauty, guys. Look at that beauty. From here, what we can see is the lighthouse up there on top. Wow, such a nice day. Pagkaganda naman talaga dito, guys. Ganda! It's a lovely day, guys. Oops. Ganda naman dito. Pakapira nga. Darling, if you're gonna propose to me next time, it will be here. Yeah?
I've already proposed to you once.
Why? It's possible to propose me again.
Oh my god.
Right? Beautiful, lovely sunset, guys. Summer sunset or sunset na. You know what? Nakakaganda ang beauty dito sa north side. What a beautiful.
Oh my god.
Thank you, darling, for taking me here. You should come here, guys. It's the Palm Beach. It's the other side of the Palm Beach. Guys, grabe pala ang trick nito. So, pupunta kami ng lighthouse. And look at that. Such a beautiful lots of trees here. And guys, grabe, hangal kami. Kasi magti-trick pa kami papuntang lighthouse. Gosh. At least maganda yung dadaanan namin here. So guys, oh my god, it's been a while. Finally, you wouldn't believe, guys. Look. If I wanna do a trick like this and it's so beautiful as this, oh my gosh. Malapit na kami guys. Grabe nakaka-breathless, but you know, it's really worth to come all the way up. See you there. Finally, we are here, guys. The place that we're supposed to be going is the lighthouse. After the streaks, gosh, a breathtaking view. Wow. Guys, nandito na kami. Ang ganda talaga ng view dito. And look, there's people here. And that's how our adventure finished.
Sunday adventure.
Oh.